Who doesn't love new comfy pajamas? Sewing your own pajama pants is quick and easy and has a cozy reward. Hi, I'm Danielle Amato, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own pajama pants using the AirThread 2000D and the CoverPro 2000 CPX. I created these pajama pants by making a pattern from a pair that I love to wear. You can use an existing pair of pajama pants that you love as the base pattern for this project. If you need help figuring out how to make your own sewing pattern or how to take measurements for a commercial pattern, check out the links in the description below. Fold your fabric in half with your selvages together. Place your pattern pieces on the fabric, being aware of the grain lines. Cut out your front and back pieces. Match front and back pattern pieces at inseam and outseam. Then you can stitch. The 8-piece feed dog system in the AirThread grabs and feeds the fabric with ease. Repeat for the other front and back piece. Turn one leg right side out and insert inside the other, matching the crotch seam. Make sure the front leg pieces are matching and the back leg pieces are matching. Stitch along the U-shaped crotch seam. Turn right side out. Fold your waistline edge in 1 inch and pin as needed. Pinning at the seams is a good place to start. Stitch using the CoverPro, leaving about a 2-inch opening to insert the elastic. Attach a safety pin to one end of the elastic and feed through the waistband. Overlap the ends of the elastic about a 1/2 inch and pin. Always remove the pin before top stitching the elastic, making sure to backstitch to strengthen the seam. Cover stitch the remaining opening from the elastic. The last thing we need to do is the hem. Fold up the pan hem 1 inch, pin and stitch. Thanks so much for watching! I hope this has inspired you to make your own pajama pants at home.